When offering a particular menu item, such as combo meals, in your menu, implementing mandatory modifiers like sides ensures that customers receive a well-rounded meal every time. By setting this requirement, you provide a consistent dining experience while still accommodating individual preferences through their choice of side options. In this video, we'll show you how to create mandatory modifiers for your menu items. You'll also learn how to pre-select specific modifiers. Let's begin. On your Sapaad POS, go to Setup, Menu Setup. Search for the menu item that needs to have mandatory modifiers. In this case, let's modify the cheeseburger meal. Click the Edit button. This will open the menu item details. Navigate to the Item Modifiers section. To configure the desired modifier group, click on the settings icon within that group. Specify the minimum and maximum quantity required for this modifier under the Group Limits. By doing so, the modifier group will become mandatory for this menu item. Take note that the maximum group limit should be equal to or greater than the minimum group limit. Click OK. After clicking OK, this modifier box will change to an orange box, indicating it's now a mandatory modifier, while a gray box indicates an optional modifier for this menu item. You can also pre-select a modifier option by clicking the checkbox beside its name. Once you're done with all the changes, click Update. Remember to refresh your POS and online menu to make them live. Now let's check the POS to see the changes. Navigate to your Walk-in tab to bring up the POS screen. Search for the menu item you've modified. A pop-up will appear asking you to select an option from the required modifier group. The customer must choose at least one of the required modifiers for the order to proceed. You'd also notice that your pre-selected modifier will be automatically chosen. If you are using the Sapaad online ordering module, we recommend you to sync the store settings by visiting Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then select Sapaad Online Settings. Go to the Synchronize tab and click on Save to update your changes. If you have integrated your Sapaad menu with any of your food aggregators, make sure to update your changes and sync to make them live. And there you have it. You've created a mandatory modifier for your menu items and pre-selected a modifier option. Make sure to check out our video on identifying and managing menu modifiers. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.